Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cybex Trades, and back at it again with another trade recap video. Two trades today, one on Netflix and one on SPY. One on Tesla and one on SPY. What am I saying? Netflix. That was yesterday. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. Um, Coming to the day for Tesla here, to start off with Tesla. Yesterday had a huge rally to the upside here, as we can see. Very beautiful rally overall. It was like a 20-point move here, all the way to 262 to 260, 275, and close to 75. So I was looking for a day two continuation, and I was like, okay, this is really strong. I think we can take like a scalp to the upside. And man, I didn't even catch a piece of the crumb or whatever you want to call it. And what is this Spotify playlist doing here? What the heck? Anyway, I didn't even catch a piece of the crumb. I was just like, took only like $1.50 catch. And these are my entries and exits. So basically, I entered. Also drew this little line here, kind of like this breakout line, whatever you want to call it, a bear bull flag or whatever. Not really a bull flag, but just like a trend line. And yeah, so basically, coming into the day, we just sold off here for profits. Those that institutions and other traders and stuff. And basically, as I was like, okay, cool. Thesis still remains. If we hold to 270, we can see 275 and so on. My original game plan was 270 or break and hold above 275, and which it hit all of the targets. So let's get into it. So basically entered here the 290 contracts at 125, exited here at 154. Now since it is gonna be a CPI day tomorrow, I didn't really want to risk it because, to be honest with you, I don't really know how Tesla moves. So yes, Tesla makes moves, but at the same time, it can drop 10 points to the downside, and those gains could have been erased easily. So yeah, definitely, I missed looking at the bigger time frame here. I should have looked at the 5-minute time frame, to be honest with you. But we learn, and we move on, because this setup was so nice here. It was holding above the 271. As soon as it, not the 271, but as soon as it hit above 270, it also reclaimed view up here and broke this little trend line here that I placed. So this was a really high probability setup to catch the whole move, and yeah, just really capitalize on it. So because if we even look at the 5-minute here, it looks even way better here, as it held 270 on the VWAP, and then was riding the EMAs on this level of 270.5, and yeah, just sent it. So obviously at the end of the day, it looks like it's erasing all of its move. But anyway, that's the first trade, and that first trade basically was a $29 win, $29 P&L trade, and second trade was a loss on SPY. I tried a short level of 446.50, and I just didn't want to give it up. So yeah, it chopped me out, and I exited. So I entered two contracts of the, I believe this was the 443 puts, weekly 443 puts at 147. So now my mistake here once again, I'm gonna start to just put a sticky note or something, because this is just unacceptable. And yeah, so basically I try to short here below the 446.50 here. I believe it was on this candle here, right over, yeah, this one right here. So I entered on this candle here. I was like, cool, now we can lose this level. But the thing is, I didn't wait for a candle close. And when I looked at SPX and ES, we never went below this level here. I believe this was the, where is it? SPY equivalent to SPX is gonna be, yeah. So we never went below the level that I was looking for here, to be honest with you. And you know what? It is what it is. That was my mistake here, that I kept telling myself that I wouldn't make, but it seems like I'm still making it. So I need to be aware of that and really note it down before I take any trades on SPX. Just because I'm not really, like, as a beginner trader, I want to get as much as confirmation as possible, and really place the odds as best as possible for me when it comes to really trading it. So yeah, as you can see, we never got a close below 440, 444, 44.68 level. Below that, so all the candles wicked before we got that drop later, and we also never got a close. I believe below this level here, here 45.25. So below 44.24, really, we never really got a close around there either. So overall, it sucks, but or 45.20, sorry. Yeah, and basically that faked me out and then had me to cut my loss with the $14 loss, and basically putting me at about I believe $15 overall in the day. And happy it still came out green, but definitely could have done better. Should have called it a day on that first trade, but should have, would have, could have. But it is what it is, though. We learn and we move on. But overall, yeah, not bad for pre-CPI day, to be honest with you. Just keep the momentum up and just plan us to finish the week green and really just focus and really reflect and put some things, make some adjustments and yeah, get better at it. So that's pretty much it for today. And yeah, thank you guys.